Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm in the Bath, UK. Bath, Somerset, I guess is what they call it. But I'm at Somerset, which is like this half circular type of place with houses and buildings and a park and everything else. Let me show you this. I'm going to turn this around a little bit. And so you can see the park, and you can see that it's fairly crowded and got lots of activities and lots of stuff happening and stuff. But this isn't the important part here. This is. See these buildings over here? It's like a half a circle, and this is called the Royal Crescent. Wow, and it's pretty amazing. You know, you usually don't see things like this too often, so it's kind of cool. Yeah, definitely amazing. Huh. Wow. Yeah, very cool. But there's not much more to it than this, and I think some of these are hotels, and I think some are houses. I don't know. I just know this is in the top 5 things to see, and it certainly is pretty neat. And obviously the grounds are just spectacular. Look at, you can see they're all cut kind of interestingly, and there's people with dogs and walking pets and playing games, and it's pretty amazing. Wow, very cool. Wow. Huh. Yeah. And a lot of people come here. It's on top of a hill, so it takes a lot of work to get here. So be prepared to walk and such. But yeah. And there's certainly lots of tourists and things.
Hello.
Yeah. Very cool. Cool. Okay, everybody. Well, I guess I will walk a little bit, and then we'll be done. It's not much more than this. The curvature of the whole grounds is pretty amazing. Parking here is pretty not allowed. Yeah. Very cool. The Royal Crescent. Nice. Okay, and you can see some of these places. Can you imagine having one of these houses? And cute, some of them have balconies. Most of them don't have balconies, so the ones with balconies are really kind of pretty cool. And I don't know if they're window balconies or you just open the window and you have the little gate so that nobody falls out the window or something. But okay, well, I'm going to stop talking, and I just thought I'd share this with you. Thanks for coming along, everybody. Bye-bye.